Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Redmi phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi phone guys system navigation full setting, how to set a system navigation setting on Redmi mobile and how to use one by one step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Redmi phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile home screen setting. After home screen setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to change home screen mode, classic mode, app driver mode, you can change from here. So let's leave it. Friends, click here system navigation setting. Friends, you want to use gesture settings, you want to use button navigation. Friends, one by one we will talk about. First friends, we will talk about gesture settings. So friends, click here and friends, click here note now option. Friends, gesture navigation will enable. Friends, you can see button navigation will remove on a screen. And friends, you cannot use a 3 button navigation setting. Friends, you can back from right side and friends you can back from left side. So friends, you can use back button right side and left side you can back. Recent tab friends, you want to close. So friends, you can this line friends hold here and you can close your recent tab. So friends, you can see button navigation will not show on screen. We can use gesture setting right and right side and left side. If you swipe you can use back button, and friends recent tab you want to close, so I hold here and you can close it. So guys, we call gesture navigation setting. So like that friends, you can use your gesture navigation setting. And friends, you don't want to use this gesture settings, you want to set up your button navigation. So friends, click here system navigation setting guys, click here button navigation setting. After 5 seconds friends, gesture settings will remove right and left side, you cannot back. Friends, you can use your 3 button setting. Friends, you can see back button, home button, close app button, we can use it. So like that friends, you can set up your gesture navigation and you can set your button navigation. And friends, you want to change your button layout style, this 3 button layout style, so you can change. Friends, click on again home screen setting, system navigation setting, and friends you can see this mirror button. Friends, if you have mirror button, so friends you can back from left side, right side friends you can close recent tab. So friends, you want to change your 3 button layout style, you can change. And friends, again if you own your mirror button, so right side you can use your back button. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.